Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've had a couple of mild days across the region, but as we go through the next couple of days, things are really going to start to cool off in a hurry, with Thanksgiving expecting very chilly conditions here at Wallops. Taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, you can see those mild temperatures throughout the region, many locations making it into the 60s for daytime highs. We were up to 62 degrees here at Wallops, 65 degrees the daytime high temperature in Richmond. And then overnight last night we saw temperatures falling pretty quickly through the overnight hours as we had mostly clear skies and calm winds, allowing for those temperatures to drop right around freezing for some locations and then a few degrees below freezing for others. Here at Wallops, we saw an overnight low temperature of 30 degrees. Over the past 24 hours, no measurable precipitation, and we see those temperatures rebounding into the 40s for many locations as of 9 a.m. Wallops up to 44 degrees as of 9 a.m. under clear skies. Looking at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, the freezing level was at 1,000 feet, and our winds generally out of a northwesterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, becoming westerly in direction as we go up in height, seeing those winds increasing up to 63 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Looking at our radar satellite composite here, you can see really no cloudiness to be found out there in our region this morning. We're seeing clear skies, and we're going to continue to see mostly clear skies throughout the remainder of the day, looking at possibly a little bit of low-level cumulus cloud development as we go into the afternoon, but overall sunny skies expected to continue with no threat for precipitation. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see really throughout the entire country not a whole lot going on, with very little in the way of major storm systems this morning. If you look out toward the Midwest, that's going to be our next shot of cold air, as that's going to dive down toward the Wallops region overnight tonight after midnight, ushering in a very cold air mass. It will be the coldest that we've seen so far this season, with temperatures tomorrow not expected out of the mid-30s for daytime highs. So as we go through the next couple of days, you can see the progression of this front as it moves through the area. Looking at this afternoon, the front making it to about the northwestern regions of Pennsylvania, and then in the overnight hours, that front will quickly dive south. Arctic high pressure will build in behind it, and we'll see temperatures dropping pretty quickly overnight tonight with those breezy winds. It will be very chilly out there, and then by tomorrow morning temperatures will be in the upper 20s and will be slow to move through the 30s throughout the day. We'll also see some breezy conditions continuing through the day, so it's not going to be one of those cold days with very little wind. You're going to also see that wind in combination with those cold temperatures, making it feel even colder than what your actual temperature is going to be tomorrow, right around 35 degrees during the afternoon. So as we go into the evening hours, you can see this area of Arctic high pressure begin to dive a little farther south. That's going to allow our temperatures to fall very, very quickly into the overnight hours of Thursday and into Friday morning, where we'll see an overnight low about 20 degrees, as we'll see mostly clear skies and calm winds, giving us a very good radiational cooling event for us Thursday night and Friday morning. So I believe our record temperature for Friday morning is 18 degrees, and we'll come just a couple of degrees short of that, bottoming out right around 20 degrees for our overnight low temperature. As we go into the day on Friday, we'll see temperatures rebound a bit, as we'll see our next system begin to take shape, moving in from the south and in from the west during the afternoon and evening hours of Saturday. But for the day on Friday, we'll see dry conditions continuing, an increase in cloudiness expected late in the day on Friday. And again, those temperatures will be moderating as that next storm system brings in a surge of some warmer air ahead of it. Taking a look at our next 24 hours, you can see mostly green throughout the 24-hour period, with the exception of those breezy conditions, giving us a slight chance of violating our wind constraint for wind advisories, which is at 25 knots. We'll probably come a little bit short of that 25 knot mark, but just a slight chance of seeing a wind advisory posted overnight tonight into the first part of Thursday. And then we'll look ahead at the terminal forecast showing VFR conditions throughout the next 24 hours. Again, mostly clear skies expected as we go through the day today and into the overnight period tonight. Again, we'll see low temperatures falling by Thursday morning to around 27 degrees, with those breezy conditions making it feel even colder. Will likely not drop below that 10 degree mark for our wind chill category here, but it will be down into the teens as we go into the morning and into the afternoon, or into the late morning hours of Thursday. So Thursday, looking at a high temperature right around 35 degrees, with those winds potentially gusting to around 35 knots. Thursday night, mostly clear and cold with a low of 20. And then Friday, partly cloudy skies becoming mostly cloudy during the afternoon. Again, it will be warmer on Friday with a high of 41, and we'll actually see those temperatures increase a bit as we go into the evening hours of Friday, as we see those clouds increasing, and also a warmer surge of more southerly wind components bringing in some warmer temperatures as we go into the day on Saturday. So as we look ahead at our next 7 days, we'll see high temperature warming to around 62 degrees on Saturday, but with it we'll see our next storm system moving through the region. This looks to be a pretty quick hitter, as we'll likely not see the rain begin here at Wallops until the later afternoon hours of Saturday. But then we'll see potentially some heavier showers move in Saturday evening into the late Saturday night time frame, where we'll see potential for some windy conditions as well when that heavier rain arrives late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. But again, that will be a quick mover, and everything should be out of here by Sunday morning, where we'll see mostly cloudy skies becoming partly cloudy during the afternoon with that departing low pressure system. We'll still see fairly warm conditions as we go into the first part of the week. High of 59 degrees on Monday, where our next system will be close behind the exiting area of low pressure on Saturday. We'll see a chance for some rain shower activity once again on Monday, looking for a high temperature of 59. That looks to be a little bit less intensity with those rain showers on Monday than what we'll see Saturday night. And then as we go into Tuesday, things should clear up once again, and we'll see those temperatures only reaching the low 50s for daytime highs. Well, that'll wrap it up for our weather briefing today. We'll be back again Monday morning with our regular scheduled briefings at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Hope everybody has a nice Thanksgiving. We'll see you back here Monday morning at 8:15.